Class 10, Chapter 12, Areas Related to Circles, Module 2. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about areas of sector and segment of a circle. Note. Listen carefully. We know about sector and segment. So what do you mean by sector? Listen, the first figure. The region bounded between two radii and the corresponding arc is called sector of the circle. Now, what is segment? The second figure, the circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called the segment of the circle. In the above figure, OAPB is the minor sector and OAQB is the major sector. If theta is the minor sector angle, then central angle is what? 360 is there. Okay. So, the major sector angle is what? 360 minus theta. Now, the equation of area of the minor sector of angle theta is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Now, next one, area of the major sector, that is 360 minus theta is the major sector angle. So, equation of area of the major sector is 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Or we can write another way, that is the area of the whole circle minus area of the minor sector. Now the next one is the length of the minor arc of angle theta, that is arc APB. The equation is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So listen, the length of the arc means the boundary portion. So we want to consider the circumference of the circle equation. Now the length of the major arc, that is AQB, is equal to 360 minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Or another way, the total circumference of the circle minus length of the minor arc. Now at last, the area of the segment. So the segment portion is there. Okay, so segment APB is equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. Now, area of sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. Now, area of major segment AQB is equal to area of the whole circle pi r square minus area of the minor segment APB. Clear? Now we can move to the problems. Find the area of the sector of a circle with a radius 4 cm and of angle 30 degree. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector. So here we need to find out minor sector and also major sector. If it is sector only, it is what? Minor sector. Okay. Now the sector angle is 30 degree and the radius is what here? 4 cm. Now area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Now substitute all the values. What is theta here? 30 by 360 into pi value 3.14. So here in this question it is given the value you need to consider pi is equal to 3.14. So we substitute that value into radius what? 4. So radius square is 4 into 4. Now cancel that 30 and 360. That is what? Denominator 12. After that cancel all that. At last what we get? 12.56 by 3 which is equal to 4.186 centimeter square, which is the area of the minor sector. Now we need to find out area of the major sector. So we can take the equation area of the whole circle minus area of the minor sector. Because here first we find out area of the minor sector. Now, which is equal to pi r square minus 4.186. That is equal to 3.14 into 4 into 4 minus 4.186, which is equal to 3.14 into 16 minus 4.186, which is equal to what? 50.24 minus 4.186. At last what we get? 46.054 centimeter square is the area of the major sector. Okay. Now the next question, simple one and also important one, because it is a board exam question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Listen carefully in this figure. The radius is what? The length of the minute hand. And we need to find out the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So, if it is in 5 minutes, so what is the shape of that figure? It is a sector. Okay. Now, the angle is not given. So, first we want to find out the angle, sector angle. Now, the minute hand completes a full circle degree in 60 minutes. That is in 1 hour. Angle swept by the minute hand in 60 minutes, how much? 360. Now, angle swept by the minute hand in 1 minute, what? 360 by 60. In 5 minutes, what? You need to multiply by 5. So, 360 divided by 60, what? 6. 6 into 5 is equal to 30 degree. So, here the sector angle is 30 degree and the radius is 14. Now, area of the sector is equal to what equation? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So, theta 30 degree by 360 into pi 22 by 7 into 14 into 40. Now, you can divide this one or write it as a fraction, which is equal to what? 154 by 4 centimeter square. Now, the next question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and also major sector. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Now, in this figure, listen carefully. The angle, sector angle is given 90 degree and the radius is what? 10 centimeter. Now, O is the center. OA and OB are what? The radius. AB is the chord which is subtend angle 90 degree at the center. That is angle AOB 90 degree. Now, the first question, area of the minor segment, which is equal to what? Area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle. So, area of the minor sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here? 90 by 360 into pi value 3.14. It is given. Into radius what? 10 into 10. Minus, since the angle is 90 degree, here we can consider this angle as a right angle triangle. So, what is the equation of the area of the right angle triangle? Half into base into perpendicular height. That is half into 10 into 10. Now, when we find out the answer at last, what? Here 78.5 minus 50, which is equal to 28.5 centimeter square, which is what? Area of the minor segment. Now, major sector also we need to find out. So, area of the major sector is equal to area of the whole circle minus area of the sector OAPB. So, area of the circle is what? Pi into r square 10 into 10 minus 90 by 360 into pi r square. That is what? Area of the sector OAPB, which we find out what? 78.5. Now, pi value 3.14 into 10 into 10 is what? 3.14 into 100, which is equal to 314 minus 78.5. At last, what we get? To 35.5 centimeter square. Now, the next question, fourth one. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find, first question, the length of the arc Second one, area of the sector formed by the arc. Third one, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Now listen carefully here. The angle is what? Sector angle 60 degree. But above question the angle is 90 degree. So we apply which equation to find out the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Now if that central angle is here in this question, what is the angle? Sector angle is 60 degree. If OA and OB are 21 centimeter and one angle here 60 degree, then if two sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal. So 60 degree plus x, total is equal to what? 180. So 180 minus 60, which is equal to what? 120. Then each one is equal to what? 60 degree. So in this triangle, all the angles are what? 60 degree each. So what type of triangle is this one? Yes, equilateral triangle. And now we know how to find out the area of the equilateral triangle that we have studied in the 9th class, which is what? Root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. Now the first question, the length of the arc, which is equal to what? Length of the arc APB is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Here theta 60 by 360 into 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r 21. Now cancel all that. At last what we get? 22 centimeter. Second question, you need to find out area of the sector formed by the arc. That is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. That is 60 by 360. What is? 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 21 square. At last what we get? 231 centimeter square. Now the last one, area of the area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So area of the sector is equal to what? 231 minus area of the triangle. Since it is a equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 into 21 into 21. A square side is what? 21. Now which is equal to what? 231 minus 21 square is what? 441 by 4 into root 3 centimeter square. Now the last question, listen. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Minor and also major segment. Okay. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. Now the first one, area of the minor segment is equal to what? Area of the minor sector minus area of the triangle AOB. That is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4 a square. That is 60 by 360 into pi value 3.14 into 15 into 15, which is a radius, minus root 3 by 4 into a square is what? 15 into 15. So at last what we get? The area of the minor first one minus segment is equal to 20.4375 centimeter square. Okay. Now the last one, area of the major segment. So area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So area of the circle is what? Pi r square minus area of the minor segment is what? 20.4375. So pi value 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.4375. So at last what we get? 686.0625 centimeter square is the area of what? Major segment. Clear, students? Okay, thank you.